Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your PC suddenly stops working and it says your PC device needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data for your PC is missing or containing errors. So I've got a fix for this, and how you can do this. Let's get started. First, in order to do this, make sure you have a bootable USB which has Windows 10 or Windows 11 setup installed in it. After that, plug in your USB and then boot your system on the USB. Once you're on the Windows setup menu, here just click next, and then when you're on this page, click on repair your computer. Do not click on install now, just click on repair your computer and then click on troubleshoot, then click on startup repair, click on your username and then click on next. If it requires a password, make sure you enter the correct password which was applied for entering into your system or logging into your system. So once you do this, it will diagnose your PC and it will start automatic repair. After that, your PC should be normally working and your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.